I first met Abby and Jordan, little did I know that the story of them meeting would be one of the most romantic and special stories that I'd be able to share.
Abigail has always been more than a sister to me. She's been my greatest inspiration and my best friend.
When you find your soulmate, it's almost like looking in a mirror and you see yourself. All you want to be is the absolute best version of yourself. And I see that when I look at the both of you, and I'm just so grateful to have you as my best friend.
I'm just so happy for you, Abby, and I've never met anyone like you until I met Jordan. I met Jordan and I just knew deep down in my heart how much he loved you.
There's always going to be risk, but it's always stepping outside of that comfort zone and risk where you can find absolute true happiness and love.
I'm so happy for you two, and I'm truly excited for what the future holds for you two. I love you so much.